Go for it.
Yeah, today I want to talk about downtime and how that impacts a flooring installation. A lot of customers don't really consider what downtime means in terms of how the floor gets installed and what that means to their business. And there's a lot of components to this when a floor is installed. So with a typical glue down or paint on flooring type of a product, you really have to empty the space out. You have to remove all your equipment. You have to grind off the old floor, which typically involves creating dust, to expose it to the bare concrete. The concrete usually then has to be sealed in some way and maybe even leveled. Before the new floor is glued down, you have to allow that to dry, and then you can bring all your equipment back in. All of that, obviously, there's a lot to it. It's complicated, especially with sensitive manufacturing equipment. We estimate that that can take between 1 and 2 weeks. So it's a significant issue for a company that's manufacturing. It has costs associated with. You lose profit and revenue. You also impact your customers, your ability to serve your customers. So your customers may not be able to accommodate you being down for a couple weeks. So the solution to that is to use an interlocking system. We have an interlocking system that can withstand fork truck traffic, pallet jack traffic. It functions just like a glue down system, but it doesn't have a lot of these issues. The video behind me is an installation we've done where the tiles are snapped in simply right on top of the existing flooring. There's no grinding, no leveling that needed. There's nothing to dry. There are no adhesives involved in it. So as soon as these tiles are snapped in, they're ready to be used. They are a functioning ESD floor. And in this situation behind me, this customer never shut their equipment down. The equipment that you see to the sides is still in production. So they lost no downtime. With our interlocking system, that is possible to do that. We have glue down systems, we have paint on epoxy systems. We can talk to you about what your needs are, whether you can shut down or not. It's definitely something you need to consider. And with a discussion with us, we can help guide you into the right product and get you what you need at the best cost to you and really and your customers.